Question 9. A current passes through two cells containing respectively first copper sulfate solution between copper electrode and second silver nitrate solution between platinum electrodes. Calculate the loss or gain in weight of the different electrodes in the time in which 40 cm³ of oxygen at NTP collects in the second cell. Atomic weight of silver is given as 108 and atomic weight of copper is given as 63.5. Now equivalents of oxygen will be equal to equivalents of copper. Volume of oxygen is given as 40 milliliter, or volume of oxygen in liters will be 0.04 liters. Now dividing this volume of oxygen by equivalent volume of oxygen, that is 5.6 liters, will give equivalents of oxygen, and this is equal to equivalents of copper. Equivalents of copper will be equal to weight of copper divided by equivalent weight of copper, which is equal to 63.5 divided by 2. Solving this equation, weight of copper is equal to 0.227 gram. Therefore, 0.227 gram of copper gets deposited at the cathode, and the same amount of copper, that is 0.227 gram, dissolves out from the copper anode. This is the first part of the question. Now the second part of the question. In the second part of the question also, the equivalents of oxygen will be equal to equivalents of silver, that is 0.04 divided by 5.6 will be equal to equivalents of silver. Now equivalents of silver will be equal to weight of silver divided by equivalent weight of silver, that is 108. Solving this equation, weight of silver is equal to 0.771 gram. Therefore, 0.771 gram of silver is deposited at the cathode, and there is no change in the weight of the anode.